Welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. Today I'm going to share a very simple but a very nice recipe of rice. It's jeera rice. Jeera rice, like as we all know, we love jeera rice with dal, with rajma, everything. So though it's very simple, but with some tips and tricks, you will be able to make a very nice and fluffy jeera rice like a restaurant. Just needs very few ingredients. This is 3 cups of rice, which I've washed thoroughly and soaked in water. I'm going to discard this water and use another water in boiling. This is ghee, salt, cumin seeds or jeera, the main ingredient. This is chopped coriander leaves, and this is half a lemon. That's all, and we can just start now. I've taken 3 cups of rice, so I've taken 6 cups of water. I've kept for boiling, and when it will be boiled, then we are going to add rice. Water is boiled now. I'm going to add this rice. And we'll also add salt to it, around 1 or 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and let it boil. This rice is boiling now. I have kept it on high flame for a few minutes. We are still going to let it boil, and I am going to reduce the flame a little bit. One tip I would like to share with you is, like, for the whiter rice, it's very good. We can add just few drops of lemon, so the rice turns out very nice and white in color. Just few drops, and then just cook it again. And later I'm going to strain this water out, and we'll cook it with jeera then. The rice is boiled almost now. I'm going to switch off the flame and strain this in this strainer. This rice is strained. How white it looks, very nice. This is all fluffy. Now we are just going to take another 2 to 3 minutes to make jeera rice. I have taken the same pan, switched on the flame. I'm going to add around 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of ghee. Let it heat. Move it all around. Next we are going to add this cumin seeds. Around 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and let it sputter. It should sputter properly. It shouldn't be raw. And try to use this type of spatula if you have with rice, because and also use very light hands for it. If you have, then it's very good to use for rice, for any rice, for pulao or rice. Otherwise you can use the normal spoon also. See, this ghee is getting hotter and getting sputter now. It is now sputtered properly. I'm going to add this rice slowly. I'm going to mix this with very light hands. See, they are so fluffy. Each grain is separate, see. And now at this time I'm going to add these chopped coriander leaves to it. And again mix it, and we are just going to keep this covered for 1 to 2 minutes. And it will be ready to serve. On the rice, it's been 2-3 minutes now. I've kept it on very low flame. Wow. It's cooked now. Looks very nice, fluffy. I'm going to switch off the flame and serve it now. I have served this jeera rice. It's piping hot. Looks very good. See, the grains are all separate. They're not stuck, and they are quite white. The rice has become, just do try these, making this jeera rice with all these tips, and it will really come out very good. Finally, I'm going to garnish this with a sprig of coriander. Enjoy with dal, rajma, anything, and do comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.